Glenn, Jessica, Cody and Toby, and would like to invite you on our family adventure. That's GBtoBG. Yes, Great Britain to Bulgaria. We bought a rural property in a village not too far from sunny beach, and would like to show you our journey.
Well, it looks like we've decided that the living room is going to be the next room to get plastered by Slash. So we started stripping it back last night. Didn't take a video because it was quite dark in here. But yeah, we're nearly there now. So just one more wall to finish off. Give it a sweep down, PVA glue, and yeah, Slash will be coming back today to do some plastering. So in the last video I mentioned about Slash only being able to come on Sundays, but even though Slash speaks really good English, I think there's a slight miscommunication. I think what he was actually telling me is that it was available Sunday until Sunday. So yeah, so a slight confusion there. So he's been here all week, and I think Monday he goes back to work. So yeah, he's been absolutely brilliant. Can't thank him enough for what he's done, and lots more work to come. So there we go. Anyway guys, catch you later. So finally, quick stop in our village bar. First time we've been here on this visit, which is not like us. And
coming back.
what date are we on now?
Here. 10th of November.
10th of November, and as you can see, absolutely stunning. Glorious blue skies, sunshine, high temperatures.
23 it is.
23 degrees. Not bad for this time of year, is it? So I do believe this might be the last day that we get. So looking at the weather reports, it's gonna rain soon. We've not seen any rain since we've been here, but it's gonna rain soon. So we're making the most of being out, and we're getting visited by the stray kittens.
That black one's the one that we got in the pram.
I know, the black one tried to adopt our kids, but didn't happen. It's going to be a nightmare when we're over here permanently, because so tempted to keep the kittens because nobody wants them, so they just want to be with us, they want to adopt us. Anyway, they're having a snack, we're having a beer, relaxing in the sun. How do we get anything done with this house? I do not know. These two little monsters have been a nightmare. But as you can see, this room is now ready and prepped for plaster. So hopefully over the next couple of days, Slash will be back. And he's got a few bits to finish on the roof and plaster this room and finish off the kids' playroom, and that's it. Jobs are done. Then I'll just have to wait, order tiles, get the floor tiles in and put them down myself, which is a job that I'm happy to do and looking forward to. And then once the floors are in, it should be plain sailing from there. It's going to take a few days for the plaster to dry, so we'll wait until all the plaster's dried, PVA it, get it painted, and then flooring. Yeah, you've enjoyed helping today, haven't you? You've been helping Slash?
Yeah.
Yeah. All good fun. Right, are we going to calm down now? Yeah? Yeah. Hopefully. Anyway, good night guys. So, it's not so sunny in Sunny Beach at the moment. We've started with a lot of cloud cover now, and we're forecast some rain. Cody's enjoying the fact that with the place being empty, his voice echoes all around the hotels and everything. Just loving life. But yeah, it's still nice to have a walk down the front. Everything's closed obviously, but the beach is still lovely. They've not put the sand defences up yet. They're going to put some big sand defence up over winter, which is just like a sand embankment, if you like, to stop the waves coming up if they get a bad storm. I believe that goes up sometime in November, from what we've been told. But other than that, it's still lovely. I mean, we're only on 16, 17 degrees today with the cloud cover, but in the village it was a little bit nicer. The sun was still shining in the village, and it might still be shining when we go back.
Now look at the quadrant.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi.
It's lunchtime again. We're back at our favourite little takeaway. It's our little kebab shop. It's just near the bus station, and we've got pizzas coming for lunch, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we've got some chicken for Jess. Yeah, for Mummy. Yeah. And then we go back to the house and see where Slash is up to. See you later. Doskaro. Slightly different perspective today. We've got some low cloud and mist and fog and a bit of rain, and we're walking down to the bus stop because we've got a party to attend. So guys, in the Boomerang bar, chilling out to the beach with a load of expats for Terry's birthday. And as you can probably tell, I've already had a couple of drinks and many more to come. So yet another great day in Bulgaria. Dobry den. Good afternoon guys. We are now on Sunday afternoon, and yeah, still a bit cloudy, nice and warm. Slash is continuing on inside the house doing the plastering of the living room, so that'll be 3 rooms that we've had completely plastered by the end of the day. And I've started on the falling down building project. So there's been a couple of suggestions made by Slash about taking it down and rebuilding it, but I don't really want to do that. We don't need it, we don't require it. It turns out what I've been calling the gardener's shed is actually the original bathroom and log store, and apparently they used to heat the water with a pechka, with a wood burner, and they'd heat the water for the bath and the shower in there, and then obviously have to walk to and from the house to use it. So that would have been the bath and shower, and on that side we've got the outdoor toilet. So yeah, so interesting. But as you can see, it's well and truly rotten. It's falling down. As I've shown on previous videos, the brickwork's terrible. It's all crumbling. So I've just started taking the tiles off, because that's the majority of the weight that we're worried about. We don't want it falling on the kids, so I'm going to try and strip back as many tiles as I can, and then once the tiles are down, Slash has said that he'll bring in some guys and hopefully take down the rest of it and try and save the bricks, because the bricks are apparently very, very good. They're old bricks, but very, very good. So we'll try and keep them. But yeah, little by little we're getting there. My next job after doing this, hopefully, is starting to lay the patio, because I'd really like to get the patio down before summer, so we've got somewhere to sit out. But whether we'll do it in this visit, I don't know. We'll just see. Time will tell. Also doesn't help that we keep going out and having a beer with our friends. So I believe tonight is the Gypsy Bar again. So Slash has invited us to go down before he heads off to work, either Monday or Tuesday, to Varna. So yeah, we'll see what happens this evening. Maybe we'll be out, maybe we'll be in, who knows. Just kind of go with the flow over here. That's what it's all about. Right guys, catch you later. Do skoro. So it's taken me all afternoon to take the tiles off, and it's taken Slash about 5 minutes to absolutely dismantle the rest of the roof. This is just the back section now, and hopefully, as you can see, Slash is a crazy guy, but hopefully it'll fall without the bricks moving. If the bricks move, Slash will be coming down with the roof. But yeah. It's quite surprising actually, because the wooden structure of the roof, even though it was really bad and really rotten, we were expecting it to collapse any day because it's moved so much, it's actually proved quite stubborn to come down. But still, nothing a bit of brute force and ignorance can't fix. So hopefully this will drop pretty quickly. Hi guys, so we're now on Monday of our 3rd week back in autumn, and yeah, as you can see, the weather's changed again. It's gone from being really dull, overcast and cold to almost summer weather again. It's been absolutely roasting today. So my intention was to continue with the demolition of the woodshed behind me, and started this morning, and by lunchtime it was absolutely baking hot. I just couldn't deal with it, so went inside, had some lunch, had a beer, and then nothing's happened since. So I'm going to try and get on with a bit of gardening, I think, for the rest of the day, with it being so nice. The wind's starting to pick up, got a bit of a breeze now, so that's cooled things down a little bit. So I'm going to try and do a little bit of gardening, and then decide on where my wood store is going to be and start processing all the wood and timber from the woodshed, yeah, and then we can start taking the bricks down over the next few days. So today and tomorrow are the last days I've got Slash, so hopefully by the end of today, hopefully it's all done. I'll be able to show you around the rooms. You'll see a big difference from the original footage of showing you around the house when we first bought it. Anyway guys, catch you later. Dos coro. Toby, what are you doing? You trying to help mummy? Just be careful, Cody, be careful. You'll knock the ladders over and mummy will fall off. So Jess is just trying to tidy up some of the rough bits, the plaster at the top of the walls. Just a quick walk through. So what's going to be our kitchen is now completely meshed and plastered. As we go through to what we intend to be the kids' room or playroom. It's like a pantry store before. All plastered, all the big cracks have gone. And oh, we're going into the dark. I'll have to go and find a light switch. And the last room was the living room. And the living room wasn't a room we intend on starting yet, but as our friend Slash had some time, we made sure we got on with it, and yeah, it's all plastered. So 3 rooms, all sorted. We just need the plaster to dry fully. A few little bits of tidying up and scraping back any bits that have dropped or rough edges, and then PVA and paint. So next step is to try and get the kitchen flooring in and the tile floors throughout, really, the best we can. So we've got 1, 2, 3 rooms that we're looking to tile ASAP, and then one of the bedrooms, which is going to link onto the ensuite bathroom, will tile at the same time. It'll make sense. So yeah, that'll be next year's project, I should think. So yeah, so it's been an interesting few days. Certainly been an interesting couple of weeks. But that's it. That's pretty much everything we've managed to do. Oh, and taking down the outside woodshed, as you'll have already seen. That's pretty much what we've managed to sort out in the last week or so. So yeah. So let's keep up the good work and catch you guys next week. Cheers guys. Do skoro, lekker nocht.